Ito yung common view sa Norway, guys. You'll take your car to the ferry kasi they are not in the mainland. The attraction is not in the mainland. Magko-cross ka muna ng lake and there's no bridge available. So every time I go to Pulpit Rock, I have to cross the lake to a ferry. It's not that expensive in a way. At marami namang ferry na mamasahero doon. Automatic ka kasi dadalhin ng Google Maps o ng Waze doon sa Port Ferry. But I enjoyed my Norway adventure. There's plenty of good spots there. Although I wasted 3 hotel bookings and 2 days there, hindi ko na-catch up yung mga booking ko sa Germany at Denmark. Ayos lang, sulit naman yung aking adventure sa Norway. Once in a lifetime adventure. And if you like this video, guys, please hit share and follow for more.